Good night, teacher. I am Angelo and studying in the International Business Administration program. I'm currently in my fourth semester. I know present this week activity. Hi, Luis. Where are you going on vacation? I go to Santorini. Great for my sixth vacation. What about you? That's so amazing. I want to travel to Kyoto, Japan. Wow, Kyoto is beautiful. How are you going to prepare for your trip? I'm going to make reservation with Japan Airlines and stay a traditional ryokan and I'm going to pack comfortable working shoes, a camera and power adapters. How about you? I go to book flight with Arrange Airlines and stay at Clifford Villa in Santorini. I'm going to take like air clothing, swimwear, sunscreen, and go book. You, where are you going to the when you have to Kyoto? I'm going to try sushi, ramens, and kaiseki meals. Visit the Fushimi Inari. Shin Shirnet the bamboo groves in Arashiyama and take a trip to Nara. I asked Pan to see the Golden Pavilion and Kishomushi Temple. What about you? What are you going to do in Santorini? I'm going to relax on the black sand beach, take a boat tour to the volcanic islands, and explore the village of Oya Fira. I'm also going to visit the archaeological site and the famous Blue Dome, Kursh and Oya. That sounds like a perfect trip. I can't wait to hear about in 1 week. But same here. We're going to have some Greek stories to share. Enjoy Kyoto. And you enjoy Santorini. Safe travels.